Eastern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Davie County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Ardell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina,
GSP.
until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Another one.
At 10:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southwest of Winston-Salem to 11 miles southwest of Knoxville to 8 miles west of Statesville, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Salisbury, Statesville, Knoxville, Mooresville, China Grove, Spencer, Langus, Indicksville, Granite Quarry, and Rockwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Catawba, Davie, Ardell, and Rowan.